Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rocio. In this video I'll show you how I do my eyebrows. It's simple and quick. Also, if you are interested in knowing how I did this eyeshadow look, there's another video on my channel. It's called Pro Makeup. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And also in the comments below, leave your comments of what other makeup look you would like me to do or what you want to see from me. So yeah, just give me ideas. This is a new channel, of course. So yeah, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The first thing I do is take a spoolie and just brush my hairs upwards. Then I'm going to take my pomade in the color Ebony. I like to put it on back of my hand just to give the pomade a little bit of warmth. That way it's easier to glide on when I'm putting it on my eyebrow. I like to create a line on the bottom first and then fill in just a little bit and then create a line on top of my brow to connect them together. After I'm done filling in, I do go in with my spoolie again and then just brush the extra pomade on the inner of my eyebrow. Don't add more product, just whatever you have, just use that. And then I do go in with my Maybelline brow pomade. I forgot what it's called, but I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same process on my other brow. So start with the line on the bottom and then do a line in the top, then fill in your brows. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments down below and I'll go ahead and answer any questions that you guys might have. Once I'm done filling in my brows, I like to go in with my Tarte shape concealer in the color Tan Sand, and I like to grab that and put it in the back of my hand as well, and just take a concealer brush to carve out your brows, to clean them out. So don't worry when you're drawing in your brows if they look kind of odd or weird. The concealer is important because the concealer is going to help you clean them up so they could look nice and sharp. Before, I would never carve out my eyebrows. I would never go with concealer afterwards, so they will look really uneven and they would just look ugly. But now that I always go with concealer afterwards, it makes a huge difference. As you could kind of already tell, it does. You could see a difference after you carve. So carve out your brows once you're done drawing them in. It helps a lot. So I like to go in with another brush and just blend the concealer. I know some people say don't use the same concealer on top, use your foundation shade. This is what I do. You could go in with your foundation shade on the top, that way it won't look lighter, but at the end everything blends in together and you can't see the concealer shade on the top of your brow. So whatever is easier for you. Also, what I like to do is make myself a concealer unibrow. So what that means is just I'm gonna connect my concealer, like go across, so both of them could meet together. So do the same on the top and then the bottom. It's gonna look like you have a concealer unibrow, but once that is blended together, once that's blended out, it's gonna make it seem it's gonna make your eyebrows look a little like it's gonna make them look even, if that makes sense. Alrighty, so this is the finishing look. This is how they look afterwards. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.